If you are planning to open a car wash business, here is the question that could determine whether your investment success or struggle. Should you choose manual hand washing or invest in automatic car wash system? For years, hand washing has been the traditional choice. It's feel familiar, flexible, and relatively inexpensive to start. But as labor costs continue to rise and customer expectations keep changing, more business owners are beginning to ask a different question. Is manual washing still the most profitable business model for the future? Let's look at the reality. A traditional hand washing depends almost entirely on people. The quality of each wash varies from one employee to another. During busy hours, customers often wait in long lines, while workers rush to keep up. During slow periods, you are still paying way even when there are very few vehicles. And perhaps the biggest challenge today, finding reliable employees, is becoming harder every year. Now compare that with an automatic car wash. The Go&Go automatic car wash system was designed to solve exactly this problem. Once the vehicle enters the wash bay, intelligent sensors guide the entire process automatically. High-pressure water removes litter before solved commercial-grade process safely cleans the vehicle body. Dedicated wheel process removes stubborn breakers, while optional undercarriage washing cleans areas that are almost impossible to reach during manual washing. For business wanting to provide a premium experience, an optional air drying system delivers a clean, dry vehicle within just a few minutes. The difference is not simply about replacing people with machines, it's about creating consistency. Every customer receives the same professional wash quality, whether it's the first vehicle of the morning or the last one before closing. There's no difference caused by employee experience, fatigue, or busy operating hours. Such consistencies build customer confidence, and customer confidence creates repeat business. Another major advantage is efficiency. With a manual wash, several employees might be needed during peak hours. With Go&Go, a single training operator to supervise the entire wash process, while the machine performs the heavy work. That means lower labor costs, faster vehicle throughput, and a business that's much easier to manage. Customer benefits too. Today, drivers value convenience as much as quality. Most people don't want to spend 30 or 40 minutes waiting for a car wash. They want a professional result. Deliver quickly so they can get back to their day. Faster service means happier customers, shorter queues, and the ability to serve more vehicles during busy periods. Does that mean manual washing has no place? Not at all. Hand washing is to be ideal for specialty detailing, luxury vehicle detailing, or personalized finishing work. But for business, focus on serving high daily vehicle volume with consistent quality and controlled operating costs. Automatic car washes offer a clear operational advantage. So which options is better? If your goal is to wash a few cars each day, manual washing might be enough. But if your goal is to build a scalable business, reduce dependence on labor, improve customer satisfaction, and create a predictable long-term revenue stream, an automatic car wash is a smarter investment. The best way to understand the difference is to experience it yourself. Visit Go&Go for a live demonstration. Compare the result, explore the technology, and let our expert help you determine which solution best fits your business goal. Because successful business don't simply work harder, they invest in systems that work smarter.